Ready? Okay. Hi guys, I'm Anna. I'm the global artist here at E.l.f. Cosmetics, and today we're gonna play around with some glittery eyeshadow looks using our Earth and Ocean eyeshadow palette. Comes with 18 shades. So you see already, I've already prepped her skin with our Flawless foundation and a little bit of our Flawless concealer. And I've used our Sweet Tooth sponge trio. This will help get the whole face done pretty much. So before we start with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the eyeshadow primer in tan, so that way it can create a base for the metallic and the glitters to hold. Did I say primer? Come on,
I thought you did.
Yeah, I did. You weren't paying attention. Just kidding. So to start with this look, I'm gonna actually go into Mojave Mami, which is a little bit deeper than her skin tone, and use it in her crease. And I'm gonna go like a windshield wiper motion. So next we're gonna take a dense bristle brush, which is our eyeshadow C brush. We're gonna dip into Lagoon, and then we're gonna tap it on her eyelid. Pressing it in so that the glitter adheres to the primer. A little tip is to wet the brush a little bit with some setting spray, and then pick up some product so that way it can definitely lock it in on the lid for more intense color payoff. So you definitely want to pack it on in layers. So next we're going to take this color, Tundra, and line her lower lash line. And I'm going to use our Precise Smudge brush. I've already dampened it just slightly so it can pick up that pigment and the shimmer that's in this shadow. And then we're going to go ahead, look up, tap it on underneath her lashes. It's okay if you get it a little bit messy, because you could just swipe off the excess with the dry brush. And next we're gonna take our No Budge retractable liner in black and line her inner waterline. And then we're gonna finish it off with some mascara. You want to tease the root of the lashes and bring them upward. Using our primer-infused blush and Always Rosy, I'm gonna take this and dab a little bit on the apples of her cheeks just to give her some color. All right, so to finish off this look, we're gonna go with our Candy Kisses Lip Balm Trio. You guys tape the heck out of this thing. Sorry, guys. And the shade that we're about to use today is called Bear Kiss. So let's go ahead and dab some on her lip. So there you have it, an edgier glitter eye with a soft, subtle lip and cheek.